Subscribe to Truweight for health and nutrition. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Hi, so today we'll be discussing about the health benefits of garlic. Garlic belongs to the Allium family, the same family as onions. The characteristic smell and taste of garlic is because of the sulphur compounds present in it. Allicin is the active ingredient present in garlic. One raw clove of garlic contains fair amounts of vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and decent amounts of other nutrients like phosphorus, calcium, selenium, potassium. Garlic has got a lot of medicinal properties. It is useful in common cold, flu-like symptoms, all kinds of respiratory infections because it has antimicrobial, antibacterial properties. Then garlic helps prevent a lot of heart diseases. It helps reduce blood pressure. It helps reduce the levels of bad cholesterol. It is helpful in atherosclerosis, which is nothing but hardening of blood vessels. Then the antioxidants present in garlic help prevent diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, which are memory related diseases. Then there are studies which show that garlic has preventive properties against different kinds of cancers as well. Garlic also has a good role in digestion. It helps improve your digestion, reduces bloating, flatulence. So overall, garlic has a lot of medicinal properties packed in it. So it can be used in your everyday cooking, in your everyday diet. You can use it for tempering your sabjis and dals. And especially in these times, you need to increase the usage of garlic because corona cases are rising day by day, and corona infection is mainly concerned with your respiratory system, and garlic works best in improving your respiratory function, and it's useful in different kinds of respiratory infections.